In this video, I am going to show you how you can manage probation reviews in Lanteria HR. So first of all, if you want to go and see the probation reviews which are happening within the organization at the moment, you can go to Core HR, Automation, and Probation Reviews. So if we just take a quick look here, we can see that there are several employees that are at the 2-week review stage and some others that are at the 1-month review stage. So if I'm a manager or I'm HR, I can just open one of these and fill out the information that comes standard out of the box. So we have these fields, we can fill in this information. If you don't like those fields, we can remove them, we can rename them, we can reorder them, we can hide them. Pretty much standard in Lanteria, you're able to change everything. So let's take a little look from a manager's perspective. All right. So this here, I'm a manager, and if I go to just my manager's landing page, one of the first things I'm going to see in my tasks requiring my action box is the probation reviews that I need to do for 2 of my team. So you can see here I've got 2 leases and they're both at the 2-week review stage. So all I would do is I'm going to set a meeting to have a catch up with them on or around this date, and then I'm going to click here, and again I'm just going to choose edit and fill out the relevant information here. Once I'm done, I'm going to say Lisa has passed that stage. Okay, I'll say the meeting date was today, like so, and then choose save. Now what you will see, if we take a little look here, is that now, Lisa, we just did the 2-week review, and now the 1-month review has been scheduled for the 10th of September, today being the 18th of August. So let's take a little look as to how that was put together. So let's switch back to the HR user. Again, we've got our current probation reviews for the organization. And if we go up here to probation review stages, setting up the different steps that you might have in your organization is super easy. In this particular organization, we have 4 steps. We have a review at 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 month, and 6 months. So if we just open one of those, it's very, very straightforward. There's only a couple of fields that we have to fill out for one of these. We just give the probation step a name. This field here is just simply to order these in a logical fashion, and then we just say the number of months when the next meeting should happen, so the first or the next meeting. So in other words, if somebody is on probation and we set this to be 0.5 months, it's going to set a meeting for 2 weeks from their probation start date, and then the notice period is when the emails are sent. The rest is all optional or advanced. If you are operating in a multinational organization, you can set up different probation review workflows for the different countries. And if you want to get very fancy and allow employees to fill out a form in advance of a meeting with their manager, you can use these advanced forms here, have different templates and things like that. That's pretty much it. And there is obviously some help here as well, so you can actually figure out how to actually set up probation review stages and stuff like that. But I think that covers the basics. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button now. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get the most out of Lanteria, or you'd like to stay on top of the constant product updates that are being put out, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.